Above the wilderness of Norway's Trollheimen mountains, modern civilization seems to retreat. Only a deep brown single-pitched roof cabin silently overlooks Lake Granasjøen. At just 18 square meters, it embraces the entire sky and mountains. The architect's starting point was not drawing but listening to the land's memories, the rough, humble prototype of traditional Norwegian farmhouses with turf roofs, coexisting with storms. Once a shepherd's resting spot and hunter's temporary camp, the cabin now continues this temporary dwelling humanistic thread, symbolizing Scandinavians' inherent attachment to the wild, a philosophy of finding abundance in extreme solitude.